The creepy knocking sound. The creepy knocking sound posted on our paranormal. I was about 16 when this happened. My family had just moved into an old farmhouse on the edge of town. It had a lot of character but was in desperate need of some repairs. It had a large dark basement that always felt colder than the rest of the house, even in summer. But we needed the space, so my parents decided to store some of our stuff down there. About a week after we moved in, I was alone in the house. My parents had gone to run some errands, and I was downstairs, listening to music and doing homework. Suddenly I heard a loud, hollow knock coming from the basement door. I figured it was just the house settling, but the knocking came again, this time louder. It was almost rhythmic, like someone was knocking on the door to get my attention. I stood up, my heart racing. The knocking came once more, followed by a strange scraping sound, like nails dragging against wood. I was freaked out, but I didn't want to be a coward, so I decided to check it out. I opened the basement door slowly and peered inside. Nothing. No sign of anyone or anything that could have made the sound. But as I turned to leave, I heard a voice. It was faint, almost like a whisper, but clear enough to understand. "You're not alone." I slammed the door shut and didn't go back into the basement for weeks. Even after that, I couldn't shake the feeling that something was down there, waiting. I didn't mention it to anyone because I didn't want to sound crazy, but I know what I heard.